Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Java Classified. In this video, I will tell you how to install the MongoDB. First, we will know about what is MongoDB. So, if we talking about MongoDB, MongoDB is a index collection of data which can contain a JSON type of data. It is it is doesn't have a structured data. It contains only unstructured data like in JSON data, we can contain a employee name, employee ID, and employee address. In another JSON data, we can also add the photo as well. So for installation purpose, we need to download the MongoDB software. Then we need to install it for setup purpose. So let's go to our Chrome browser for downloading the MongoDB software. Right now I have already opened the Chrome browser. So in the Chrome browser I am going to search MongoDB download. So so here I am typing MongoDB download. So you can see here in the first URL you will be see www.mongodb.com try download community. So click this one. After clicking this one you will see some software. Right now my internet is not working properly, so that's why it is taking time. Let's wait. Yeah, now you can see in here after scrolling here you can see the version for the MongoDB community servers. So the current version is a 8.0.9 and it is a Windows type because currently I am using Windows server. So we need to select Windows x64 version. So platform version. So I'm and the package is a MSI. So after clicking the MSI package, we will install the MongoDB. So let's click the download button. Then it will go to download. Yeah, now it is going to download. Wait until this software is not downloaded. Now it will take 30 seconds. You can see in my screen. So let's wait 30 second, 20 second for the complete download of MongoDB. Now the the MongoDB has been downloaded and it is in download folder. So let's go to download folder. Wait, it will take 2 or 10 to 15 seconds. Right now you can see 0 bytes hyphen 7 to 23 MB. So let's go to download folder. We can see here. Yeah, now you can see the MongoDB software has been downloaded in the download folder. So double click on this software, then you will see. So I have just double clicked in this software for the installation purpose. Let's wait until it's not give the response. So now it is giving the response preparing to install. Now select the next button in here. In here select accept license agreement. Click next and select the complete button. Now run service as a network service user and click the next button. And if you want to install the client as well, so click this checkbox, install MongoDB Compass as well. This is a client. After running the MongoDB, then it will open in the MongoDB Compass. MongoDB Compass is a client. This client using internally the MongoDB server. So let's click this checkbox and click next button as well. Now click the install button. It will take some time for the installation purpose. Then let's wait until it will not install. Now you can see here it is going to start the MongoDB server. Now I'm going to finish it. Now click the start button. Now it is open. Let's click connection. In connection, it is going to by default added MongoDB colon slash slash localhost colon 27017 slash. This is the by default port of the MongoDB and it is running in local. So I am defining the localhost in here. Now click save and connect. Now it is connected. You can see here. If you click in admin, you can see the admin information. So there is no data available right now. So it is giving nothing. Clicking the config, there is no configuration. So it's showing empty. Same as I also click the local. In local, there is some startup logs are available only and there is no data available rather than logs. So for checking purpose, MongoDB version. How to check the MongoDB version? We'll be talking about how to check MongoDB version. Then you need to open the CMD. So I'm clicking the Windows plus R. Now here typing the CMD. After clicking the CMD, you need to use MongoD hyphen version. Then you will see the MongoDB version. Right now I think I missed something, so that's why MongoD. MongoD, why it is not showing? I think we need to add the MongoDB URL in the Mongo version. Why it is not showing? I think we need to add the binary information data in the environment variable, then it will show. So I'm going to our programs file. So clicking the C drive because in the C drives the program files are there. So here clicking the programs files. Here let's check the MongoDB. So where is the MongoDB? You can see here, MongoDB is there. So going to servers 8.0 win directory. We need to add this into the environment variable so that you can see the MongoDB version as well. So I'm going to environment variable. Uh, just 1 minute. We need to open the environment variable. Typing env. Now you can see the environment variable information. Clicking the environment variable. In advanced section, environment variable will be appear. Click the environment variables. In here, you need to add the environment variable. So you know, I'm going to add our MongoDB MongoDB information in the environment variable. Click OK. Let's check system variables also. I think in the system, no need to add this one. So I am going to click OK. Then you need to close the existing CMD and open the new CMD. So I'm going to open new CMD by clicking the Windows R and type CMD. Then OK. Here typing the same command Mongo D hyphen hyphen version. Then let's check which version is installed. Then you will see the MongoDB version as well. And for the server, you can also check Mongo hyphen hyphen version as well. So Mongo, why it is not showing? Okay, you can use any command hyphen. You can use the Mongo D command for checking the MongoDB version only. This command will not give any output Mongo hyphen hyphen version. So you need to use Mongo D command checking the MongoDB version. Now let's close it. And if you want to the MongoDB server information where it is running or not, then you just go to your Windows search bar. Here type the services. In the services, click the services. Then you will see MongoDB server is running or not. Then in the services, you will see the MongoDB server is running or not. So here you can check services. In the services, there are multiple services are running. You can check in the status field. So I'm going to search MongoDB because I'm only need we need to only check the MongoDB which is running or not. So let's check where is the MongoDB. So typing am where is MongoDB? I'm not able to see that's MongoDB server. Where I am not able to see. Yeah, you can see here. You just click the keyboards M and O. Then you will see the MongoDB server information with server services. Now you can see here MongoDB server is running. If you stop this service, then it will not run, and our doc our MongoDB compass will not connect this databases. So right now it is running. So that's why I am able to connect this MongoDB in our MongoDB compass. So let's close this service MongoDB server and let's check in MongoDB compass. Right now, if you see MongoDB server is not running, you can see here. And also, I am going to show you here. If you check MongoDB server, it is not running. In status, it's not showing running. So it is stopped. If you will not see the running status. Now I'm going to our MongoDB compass. So let's go to click this one, refresh this one. Where is, yeah, just disconnect it and connect to one. So you will see in here after reconnecting this one, there was a problem connecting to localhost 2707 because MongoDB server is not running. I have just stopped the services of MongoDB. So let's go to our services and rerun this MongoDB server as well right now. So after running this MongoDB, we will check in MongoDB. We will check in MongoDB compass. So let's now it is running and let's go to our MongoDB compass. Now click button and check. Now it is connected. So in the services we can check our MongoDB server is up or not. Now MongoDB installation is done and set up in our Windows system. In upcoming video I will show you how to find and insert the data in the MongoDB by using CMD as well as by using MongoDB Compass client as well. Thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe if you get the better understanding. Thank you.